Try to get some rags in there, boy. Boom! There it is. How about the HSP? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back at OV's shop here. If you guys remember in previous videos where we've done a lot of HSP content on his L5P, and it's actually Fitzgerald weekend, Blake's show 5.0. Everybody's down there except for us. I wish we were down there. There's some crazy clips going on the internet. Everybody from the industry is down there. Looks like an absolute blast. This shop is a little empty because Ovi and the guys are down at the Ozarks at the Loop with the razors. The CF Moto is done-ish. The lift kit's on, the tint is on. It's on its maiden voyage, Ovi, so please don't break that sucker down there. I sent the GoPro with them, so hopefully they get some good footage. I know I'm gonna ramble, but this video here is about a new HSP part that I got for my LML. So if you guys have an LML Duramax and you're looking to upgrade your engine bay, be it performance or just overall dress up stuff, HSP is the way to go. So in this video, we're gonna open up the product, show it to you, show you how to put it on, and then show you some other parts along the way. It's gonna be a fun ride, so hang on, buckle your seatbelt, and here we go. So let's go ahead and get this sucker opened up. I'm so excited to see what this thing's going to look like. There we go, there we go. It's like Christmas morning with the Christmas tree. Anyways, oh my gosh, got a shirt there, boy? We're gonna have to open that sucker up. There's the boots right there. Oh yeah, with the clamps. Nice and simple. Gosh, they really packaged the crap out of it, didn't they? There's the pipe itself right there. Oh yeah, she gonna look good, boy. And what in tarnation? Hey, oh, look at that sucker. Just for the customer lounge, you could put this where, you know, people check out, the checkout counter. Yeah, look at that. That sucker is super nice. We'll get that down to Ove. Got a sticker. Man, they took care of us, didn't they? Let's go. Let's get this pipe opened up. Gosh, it's so hard to do one-handed, ain't it? Oh my gosh. Hey, there it is. How about the HSP? Holy mackerel, that looks good. And let's take it over to the truck here. And that sucker is going to go somewhere on here, right? Something like that. And how about that color, boy? That color. Woo! Boy, that's gonna go crazy. Got to get the boots out there, get them suckers lined up. Got all the trash here. So I'm climbing up into the engine bay here and looking exactly how it's going to flow and line up. Doesn't it look so good? The fuse box cover, we got the hot side turbo pipe, we got the cold air intake right there, and now we're gonna have the upper coolant pipe to match. The sucker's gonna go crazy. Eventually, I think they make a brake fluid reservoir cover. I know they got the cold side pipe. I think they got cool braces. They got tons of other good stuff that we can do to this sucker eventually if we choose to. But for now, I'm just trying to get this sucker to line up how I think it should go, letting the engine cool down. So it's probably something like that. And maybe this flows into there, I would assume. I just don't want to cut this sucker right just this second because it's going to be so hot. And hot fluid is not good. But yeah, we're just going to take some clamps, be able to pinch down on there, get the old pipe out, get the new clamps on there, hook this sucker up, and man, top it off with some coolant, obviously, and yeah, that ought to be it. This sucker's gonna look so good. And if you guys haven't seen our other videos on the channel, here is Ovi's L5P that we did a lot of HSP parts to match the white and teal powder coat theme on this truck. So HSP will actually paint match stuff for you. So we've got goodies on there. We got the hot side pipe. We got the upper coolant tube on here. The white and the painted teal clamps to match go crazy. Battery tie down. The cold air intake, don't have the lid on it right now. We are still working on this truck. But as you can see, they've got tons of other products to offer. I got the track bars underneath there as well to match. So everything HSP is going on in the shop, man. And we just couldn't be happier with it. The stuff just looks so incredible. The shop is looking good. Sorry, I'm letting the coolant kind of cool down. Cool down, coolant. Let's go. And let's go ahead and try to spring this sucker loose. It might still be a little warm. We're going to be real careful, boy, ain't we? Try to get some rags in there, boy. There it goes. Oh, gosh, who's going to clean this up? Oh, jeez. We got coolant everywhere, boy. Sorry guys. Anyways, probably should update you anyway. So I ended up putting this rubber boot on first before I put it onto the actual pipe. That way it's nice and secure. Paid special attention to my clamp orientation so that I'm able to tighten them down the correct way. Once I get the pipe slid in place, I am connecting it to the radiator here. Just got to loosen that up a little bit, jam that in there, adjust, because we want to make sure that we have plenty of rubber on both sides of the clamp. That way it doesn't slip off. And yeah, we're going to keep on cruising. So now that I have the pipe positioned the way I like it, there you can see the HSP on there. Look at the glisten. Got all the clamps facing the exact same way. Got rubber on both sides of the clamps. They're nice and straight up and down, and I am really torquing them good. I'm going to torque them by hand. I do not want these things to come loose. I don't know what the actual torque spec is, but I know we need a good squeeze down in there. But yeah, what do you guys think? That really adds a lot for just a little bit of price, man. That thing really pops, don't it? Okay, now I got the clamps nice and tight. I'm trying to rip this sucker out, and it is just not coming. So we know we're gonna be safe there. The next thing we gotta do is just pull the cap and put our antifreeze back in there, some fresh, because we did drop down some. We're gonna have to clean that sucker up, but man, that was super simple, and this thing's looking incredible, ain't it, guys? Holy cow, she is a beauty. And here we go. We got our Dex Cool GM approved antifreeze coolant down here right next to the old pipe. Get that booger opened up. Yeah, we got a loader. We need a funnel. Oh, you got a funnel somewhere. Where's the funnel, boy? Okay, so now we can clean our tools off of here and start this booger up. Make sure she's gonna go good. I'm sure she is, obviously, but still. Got her cleaned up, got some antifreeze in there. Probably add some more later. Wipe me down. Okay. All right, who gets to do the honors? Boom! Terrible game. And so there you have it, folks. That was a super easy upgrade that looks absolutely incredible on the Duramax. That pipe is gonna hold up so much better. That aluminum finish with the powder coating just looks incredible. If you guys are in the market for any engine dress-up parts, performance upgrades, make sure to check out HSP. I know this is a sponsored video, but these guys are absolutely genuine, great dudes. They share all of our content online. I see them posting everybody's stuff. They actually rocked with us from the beginning. When I just started YouTube, had like maybe 200 subscribers. They actually were super stoked with the air intake video I did. Called me up, said they want to partner with, don't have to sign anything, just want to rock with us. It was a super incredible experience. Mike is awesome over there. He even said that I was like Truck Masters, who I reminded him of. What a compliment for just a nobody, right? But anyways, guys, I wouldn't be putting this stuff on my truck if I truly didn't believe it. So take my word for what it's worth. Ask around, do your research for sure. But I'm telling you, you're not gonna be let down by this stuff. So get on there, check it out. We got tons of content coming, other stuff. So if this is your first time, please stick around, check out all the other HSP videos, stuff we got going on. I'm done rambling. We'll see you guys. I thank you. God bless you all, and peace.